Microsoft Fabric is Microsoft's new SaaS analytics service. And what Microsoft's really done with this is they've taken best-in-class front-end capabilities around Power BI and a number of different best-in-class back-end capabilities like Synapse and SQL and Spark, etcetera, and they've put all those together into a single cohesive SaaS service. And we believe that Microsoft Fabric will ultimately revolutionize the analytic market. And what's interesting about Microsoft Fabric is despite all the various workloads in Microsoft Fabric, one workload that is not present is master data management. So our goal, given our existing integrations with Microsoft, is to also deliver native integrations with Microsoft Fabric, in effect bringing an MDM workload natively into Microsoft Fabric. What that allows customers to do is to use Profisee to improve the data that they have stored in OneLake and bring that data under management using the Profisee platform, ultimately improving the quality of that data and improving downstream analytics on top of it.